Finding your USCIS number, a step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a commonly asked question about immigration documents in the United States. Where can I find my USCIS number? The USCIS number, also known as Alien Registration Number or A number, is a unique 7 to 9-digit number assigned to a person by the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. So, let's dive in.
What is a USCIS number?
The USCIS number, or Alien Registration Number, is an important identification number. This number is unique to each individual who applies for any immigration benefits. It's crucial to know where to find this number as it's frequently required in immigration-related procedures and correspondence.
Identifying your immigration document.
Your USCIS number can be found on different immigration documents, but it's most commonly located on your permanent resident card, green card, employment authorization document, EAD, or notice of action, Form I-797. The document you'll use depends on your current immigration status.
Locating the USCIS number on different documents.
On your green card, if you're a permanent resident, you'll find your USCIS number on the front side of your green card. The number is labeled as USCIS hash or A#. On your employment authorization document, EAD, for those who have an EAD, also known as a work permit, the USCIS number can be found on the front of the document. It's labeled as USCIS hash or A#. On your notice of action, Form I-797, if you have a notice of action form, your USCIS number can be found at the top right side of the document. It's referred to as the A number on this form. Remember, the USCIS number or A number typically starts with an A, followed by 7, 8, or 9 digits. And there you have it. We hope this guide helps you to easily locate your USCIS number on your immigration documents. Remember to keep these documents in a safe place, as they contain crucial information needed for various immigration processes. Until next time, stay informed and good luck with all your immigration-related endeavors.